I'm Batman. No, I'm Batman. You both are wrong. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. No, I am. No, I am Aquaman. I mean Batman. Oh, I'm Batman. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. No, I'm Batman. I'm Batman. No, I am Batman, and only I can offer you freedom from high prices. So come over to Tartan Batman's Couch Emporium today.
Hey, my fellow LEGO fans, welcome to another edition of This Old LEGO Brick. My city is growing, it's shifting, it's changing. So, without further ado, fancy word, let's get going. Let's go take a look. Come on, let's go. What's stopping me? Come on, let's go. Let's get out. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's get going. All right, let's go. Come on. First thing I want to show you is the Spider-Man Battle Bridge has returned to my city, though it is somewhat smaller than it was before. I had to make a few adjustments, and let me tell you why. The first problem was the support of the bridge was not allowing the train to fully go under. It was getting caught up. And the second thing is I'm trying to maximize my space in the city, and in its past condition it was taking up a little too much room. Also, I tend to build as I go rather than pre-plan, and so it allowed me to free up a lot of Legos for the redesign. All right, let me show you a few other things. If you've seen some of my previous videos, I'm attempting to elevate my city to have an underground train. And I've been hard at work at this corner portion here, and I'm almost finished. It's awfully dark, so let me shed a bit of light on it. Come on, let's go under the street. As you see, I've made lots of progress since last time I showed under here. I have a collection of power miners and explorers, trying to get the valuable minerals in this cave. But it is protected, as you can see, by all manner of wicked creatures. Here we have two small lava monsters attacking the explorer truck as it's trying to drag a lava rock from the pit. Here are some more power miners and explorers. Power miner is fleeing from a lava creature emerging from the lake. Of course, the leader of this nefarious bunch is a demon lord or devil, some sort of archfiend, planning to wreak havoc. I'm not quite finished here, but this is an element from the Prince of Persia build. I don't remember the set name or number, but there is a little light feature. If you press a spear in there, it lights up. what I want to do here, and I need your suggestions. Should it be orange like the lava that glows, or should it be like the power, not the power miners, I'm sorry, the explorers blue crystals here? Or should it remain as it is? I don't think it quite fits, but I wanted to include it. So tell me what you think in the comment section below. And of course, for you Hobbit fans out there, also underneath the movie theater and in this cave, I've set up a little vignette of the conversation between Bilbo and Smeagol. And the One Ring. Also, those of you who have seen my videos before know that I'm trying to build my city in sections so that it is easily maneuverable and I can shift them around fairly quickly with little or no damage or time. And this is a perfect example of that. Here I have one giant section that actually detaches. The only thing that's holding it together is the railroad tracks. And then I have this piece here. It's about the size of one large gray base plate. And it easily just, it's fairly sturdy and just slides right on there. And then, so if I choose the movie theater not to be on here, I will eventually be able to shift any corner building here. Also, if I want to change the streets around, if I wanted to, I can do that and change the streets around and just kind of take off this section here and put it with the rest of the street. If you notice that right here, 2 elevations, is because I'm raising the street just a little bit to make it a little more secure. And this is the first section I've done. Not much has changed over here. I'm still working on rebasing the Ghostbusters headquarters to better fit in my city. I turned it into a corner building. I shifted around the boardwalk a little bit, so I'm about to make some changes here. Next time you see the town, it will be shifted about 16 studs this way in order to have room for large gray base plates all down along this where the beach is now at. Nothing much has changed over here, but I am in the process of building a bunch of stuff. So this month we shall see a lot of growth and a few subtle changes. All right, before I leave you, let's start up the train and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I would like to hear from you. And until next time, happy building.